Good afternoon, this is Yolandi from DIY Project by Yolandi, and today I'll be showing you how to do some artwork, a piece of home to take with you to the office. So we'll be using lots of Tjhoko colors and some creative techniques to do that. You'll be using any color that you actually like. So I have reddish mellow, Kaylee's candy, bright, all is the light, pretty pink, and then cloud white that we'll be using. You also need a nice thick paper. I recommend a thicker one because the normal ones tend to frill up a bit. So you'll be using a little bit of paper as well. Markers are optional. You can also use the matte black paint with a fine artist brush. I just want to show you here. But for the purpose for today, I'll be using some acrylic markers. These are available in craft shops, and then also a place where you can put out your paints, and some foam rollers. These are from the kids range from Tjhoko, so you can also get them there, and also some stenciling that the kids can also use. And then the final step of the artwork would be lining and drawing some pictures on. So if you're not creative by drawing by hand, you can also print out some doodles. You can just look on Pinterest for plant doodles, and then you can just get some examples there. Today we have with us a little artist who's going to help us with this project. So we will be painting a base color, and then we'll be using some shapes or stencils or our hands and just have fun with it, and then we'll let it dry, and then we'll do some line artwork on it. Okay girls, so now what you can do, you can take your brush, choose a color that you like, and just paint and just have fun. Wow, that was a lot of painting. If your hands look like this, and you know you had a lot of fun. So we just put them out in the sun a bit so that they could dry. They did crinkle up a bit because the little ones tend to use a little bit more paint than we do, but it's fine, we're going to work with it. So we've done with our first phase, we're going to move into a second phase now, where we're going to do some line art. We are now in our final phase, so what we'll be doing now is some line art. I will be using cloud white with a fine artist brush for some detailing, and then I'll also be using my acrylic marker. So I'll be using this as a reference just to add onto my paper. And then we have a completed project. Everyone's will be unique and different. So then you can just go and frame it, hang it up in the house and home, or take it to the office with you. Thank you so much.